it's Laura. So today I'm going to share an update with my Child of the 80s project pan. This project was created by Ceylan and it is a fantastic ladies collab project. So this project is all about the 80s. You choose 8 random prompts, all correlating to the 80s, and then you choose products to work on that relate to those prompts. So somehow I wound up with 9 products. Not really sure how that happened, but that's okay. I was able to finish 4 products for this update, so when I choose new products, I'll just only choose 3. So anyway, let me show you what I finished. So the first thing I finished is for the prompt tracksuit, and that is something that is comfortable. And for that, I chose this fresh lip balm, and it is all done. I really liked this lip balm. I even started taking a lip brush and kind of like using what's stuck in the plastic part, because that's how much I like it. Next was Totally Tubular, and that was something in a tube. So I chose this REN Body Serum. I did not really like this. I feel like every time I use something from REN, I don't like the smell. Like, it just smells like raw ingredients to me. I don't know. I didn't really like this, so I didn't cut it open to scoop everything out, but I did squeeze as much out as I could get out. Next thing was Whip It, and that was something creamy or airy, and for that I chose this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and I did really like this, so I did cut it open and scooped everything out. This lotion was really nice. I did like that a lot. And the last thing I finished was for How Rude, and that was something expensive. And for that I chose this Lancome Eye Cream, and it is done. And this eye cream was good. I feel like the ingredients in Lancome skincare aren't the best, so I would prefer something that's unscented because I have dry and sensitive skin. But it didn't irritate my skin, which is good, so I was able to finish it. So now let me show you the progress I made on my other products. So first we have Where's the Beef, and that is something neutral colored, and I chose this Laura Geller eyeliner. And this is how much I have. I only used it a few times. I didn't keep track, but I didn't wear it every day, so I feel like the progress is probably not going to look that much different from the intro. Next is Living on a Prayer, and that was something that was almost finished. For that I chose this Lancome eye makeup remover. It was like about here when I introduced it, and now we're down to here. Very, very close. This will for sure be done by the next update. Next is Valley Girl, and that is something shiny or glossy. And for that I chose this Majolica Majorica lip gloss stick. My goal is to use it 20 times, and I have used it 14 times so far. And I am wearing it today over a lip liner. Next is Dipstick, and that is something you feel like a dipstick for buying. And I chose these Biore charcoal strips because I don't like these. They always leave residue on my nose after I take them off, and yeah. So when I introduced it, there were 5 strips, and now there's only 4, so I only used 1, and it was today because I forgot. And sure enough, left a bunch of charcoal residue on my nose, and I had to wash my face, and that was annoying, so can't wait for those to be done. The last prompt was for Princess Bride, and that is a favorite product. And for that I chose this First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. I really like this primer. This is my favorite primer. I was storing it this way though, so I can't really tell where it is right now. It's kind of all stuck to the sides, but it was there when I introduced it. I'm gonna store it like this for a while, and then I'll mark it, so for next check-in we'll be able to see where I was. Okay, so I'm able to choose 3 new prompts, so let's see what I get. Trapper Keeper. I had a Trapper Keeper when I was in elementary school. It was Lisa Frank. I loved Lisa Frank when I was a kid. I had Lisa Frank stationery and pens and pencils and Trapper Keepers and backpacks and everything. Stickers, you name it. Pat Benatar, okay. And the last one, Cabbage Patch Dolls. I feel like Cabbage Patch Dolls are the thing that kind of sparked that whole shopping for Christmas, Black Friday kind of situation, because everybody wanted Cabbage Patch Doll and people were gathered up trying to get them. My older brother and I, we had Cabbage Patch Dolls when we were kids, but I honestly didn't really care for them. I don't really remember playing with them, like they were there, and I was just more interested in Barbies and Polly Pocket and Beanie Babies. So Trapper Keeper is something with cute packaging. Cabbage Patch Kids is a product that was sold out and was hard to get. And Pat Benatar is a bright or dark cheek product. Okay, let me go choose my products. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so for the prompt Pat Benatar, it was a dark or bright cheek product. So for that, I chose this Wet n Wild blush because it's pretty dark. I mean, for a blush and on my skin tone, I think, I don't know how it's gonna look. I've never used this. I've never even opened it. I was trying to get this sticker part off, but I'm seeming to have trouble with that. My goal is to use this 10 times. Next prompt was Trapper Keeper, and that was something with cute packaging. And for that, I chose this Clover palette. I didn't want to bring in an eyeshadow because I'm working on so many, but looking at this, it's just something that would look like something I would have on my Trapper Keeper back when I was a kid. You know, like I said, I really liked Lisa Frank, so the whole animal, colorful thing. So I had to choose this. So I'm only going to put the goal of using it 5 times though, because I got a lot, and especially with this next thing. So this was for the prompt Cabbage Patch Dolls, and that was something sold out or hard to get. And this is the thing that instantly came to my mind when I read that prompt, because I had been collecting the Urban Decay Vice palettes, and this was one of the last ones that came out. I think maybe like the second to last one, and it was the only one I couldn't get my hands on when it was first released. Like, it sold out. I didn't get it. I thought I was out of luck and I wasn't going to be able to get it. And then a few months later, they randomly restocked it, and I saw it on their website or some website, I forget which one, but I was so excited. I instantly bought it as soon as I saw it, and so I was really happy I was able to get it. So that's really the only thing that's ever happened to me where like something sold out and I wasn't able to get it. So yeah, I had to choose this one. And again, I'm only gonna put the goal of using it 5 times because got a lot of eyeshadows. I really want to focus on my Pan That palette. Last year I didn't really do that great with my Pan That palette because it was really big and the shadows were like had a lot of product in them. So I really want to do well on that. So we're just gonna do 5 uses. Okay, so for next time, I definitely think I can have this eye makeup remover done. I'm hoping I can hit my 20 uses on this lipstick. I definitely think I can get 10 uses on this blush and possibly hit my 5 uses on both of these. So I'm thinking next check-in I might have a lot of rollouts, but we'll see. Okay, that's everything. I'll see you next time. Bye.